kitty cat. And I'm the only thing you guys care about now. Because I'm a kitty cat. And that's okay. Look at me. Look up, I mean. Look up over there. No, look down here. I'm so handsome.
Oh, okay, he's done. Peter Kitty Cat's done. Hey guys, I'm back. This is going to be a very quick video. I have not been answering a lot of comments and messages lately. I've been super busy this last week, doing a lot of stuff. Doing a lot of work, both in the shop and home. Just showing this off. Been working on this. I have kind of another little channel. It's like a little channel where I do a lot of this modeling stuff. I don't know if I ever mentioned this before, but I actually I love building models, and I've got some that are sitting in museums right now, like for real. You can test me on that. Up in New York and in Texas, and I've been working on this project, this little F-16, which is going to be finished up and has to go to a museum in Texas, just outside of Dallas. So anyway, I've been doing that. I've been packing up lots of prizes for the giveaway. For those of you who want to know about the giveaway prizes and when they're going to be shipped out, I have the first batch boxed. I have shipping labels printed. They are going to be picked up by the post office on Monday. They're supposed to be picked up today, but I didn't pick them up. But I have them all set up, and I'll start emailing out tracking numbers as I go. And really, like, when I say the first batch, I mean, it's just the order in which people got to me their shipping info. I ran out of flat out supplies, shipping supplies, and I'm going to gather more shipping supplies, and then on the 15th, next paycheck, I'll send out the second batch and everything.
Mister, I have mail for you.
I am not going to be able to answer individual, emails and comments and all that about where's my prize and stuff like that, because I don't know off the top of my head. Like I said, it's all, I got a lot going on over the next 2 weeks. I have lots of medical appointments coming up. And I'll explain more of that in a coming up video. If you guys want to be cool, by the way, and you want to help me with this other little channel that I've got going, it's actually me and a couple other people. It's Air Force Builder, and I'll put it on there. If you want to help us get to 1,000 subs, I don't care if you even watch the videos. Subscribe to the channel. It'd be cool of you because of YouTube's crazy new monetization rules. This is a Warhammer 40,000 model that's really all a custom build. But anyway, if you're into this kind of thing, you might want to watch the videos. If you're not into this kind of thing, if you just want to subscribe to it, that'd be awesome of you guys. Anyway, so why am I doing this video today? I got an amazing gift from a viewer. And, last time I got a gift, they asked me to not give him a shout out, and this time I got a gift, and he said it was okay to give him a shout out. Not only that, but he'd like me to use his real name, not his YouTube name. Let me read you this email that came with it, and then I'll show you what it is. Because I think it's really cool. It's geeky, but it's like cool geeky. It's awesome. Hey Doc P91B, call me Doc. It's cool. We're friends. I love your channel. You have some of the best content I've seen. I really love that you're very honest, and your videos all seem kind of spur of the moment, like your real reactions to stuff, and that's not commonly found on YouTube. Thanks, that's what I'm going for. Awesome so far. I've been going through a lot of stuff right now, and your videos really help me through. They always give me a laugh, and they always give me some stuff I can kind of think ahead to, things I want to get and adventures I want to have. So I really, really appreciate your channel, and I wanted to say thanks. I know you have viewers from all over the place, and I saw this traveler's map. I thought it would be a really interesting, in quotes, my interesting. I thought it would be really interesting, no, seriously, a cool idea for you to have everybody say where they're from, and then you can put it on this map. Let me show you the map. Is it on? It's a big map. Now, it looks like a regular map, right? But it has this cool little pen, and it's like a scratch-off. Like scratch-off lottery tickets. So you scratch off the places that you've been. It's like a travel map, right? I already scratched off Pennsylvania on there. Right, because I know there are viewers in Pennsylvania, and I'm in Pennsylvania. And it has all the 50 states, it has the provinces of Canada, and, all the countries and everything. And it's really a beautiful map, too. It's really nicely coded. Originally, I got this for traveling. I wanted to take note of all the places I was going to go, but I ended up really not traveling very much at all. I figured this is a great use of the map. Yes. Awesome, dude. Me and my brother both love watching your videos. We watch it all the time. If you're going to give me a shout out, instead of using my YouTube name, can you please use my real name so that my brother hears it and doesn't think I'm making this up? So this is from Derek Tiotino, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Derek Tiotino. Thank you, man. This is amazing. This is awesome. And I think we can all have a lot of fun with this map. It's really cool. So I think it'd be awesome now. I would love it if everybody would comment with where they're from, and I can start putting it on the map. You know, if you're in the United States, you want to give a state. If you're you can give me your city and country. If you're in another country, I know we have a lot of international viewers and stuff, and that's really cool to me. You know, I don't know how, to be honest, all of the divisions in every country works between, you know, provinces, regions, cities, all that stuff. So just go ahead, comment on this video with, you know, your country and all the other information. You know, not an address, just where you are, and we'll put it on the map. And from time to time, we'll bring the map out in videos, and we'll look at where everybody is from, and we'll see if we can dominate the entire world. Yes. Anyway, so Derek, man, this is an amazing gift. Thank you so much. I want to make sure you get, yes, you get full credit. And you didn't tell me your brother's name, but Derek's brother, he is not kidding and is not making it up. He sent me an awesome, awesome gift, and I appreciate it. So, yeah. Derek 1, Derek's brother 0. All right, guys, it's just a real quick weekend video. I have to take the time to say thanks, though. Thank you guys so much. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. Let's get this map really filled out. True, don't make up places just to fill out the map. But seriously, where's everybody from? Let's do a roll call, okay? And we'll, you know, from time to time, like I said, we'll do another roll call and we'll keep updating this map. I think this is a great idea. Thanks, Derek. Really, thanks. All right, guys, I'll be back again real soon.